welcome back to another episode of Adventures with E. Whoa there. That just... I did not know that it was going to be that bad of audio. I'm definitely going to have to invest in some kind of wind sock mic cover in the future. That was a really bad move on my part, but essentially what I was trying to say there was, hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with E, and in today's video we will be going up to the top of the Palmer chairlift and watching the sunrise. This is one of the first bigger hikes that I've done, and I'm doing it with my friend Jordan from @JordansAlpine on Instagram. Go check him out. He's got some pretty good pictures on there, probably of this hike too. Anyways, besides the point, first step was I packed all my gear into my hiking backpack. Well, we're just about to go pick up Jordan like Future Elliot said. And I just took a shower, I'm all packed, got my stuff ready, my lunch, my camera gear, well, not much, just my GoPro pretty much. Ice axe, deodorant, sunscreen, clothing to keep warm, water, food. Then we went to go pick up Jordan. Hello, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
You ready?
Hi, viewers.
Are you ready?
For what?
What do you mean?
To rumble.
That was a good experience.
Sized our crampons to our very crappy rental boots. Never again renting from that place. I'm not gonna say their name. Not worth it. What are you doing?
Sizing or putting testing I don't know.
I don't know. Jordan 2026. Yeah, we're size. I'll translate. I'll translate. We're sizing our crampons right now, so we don't have to do it in no light. So, yeah. And then embarked on our journey to the Timberline parking lot. Okay guys, we're on our way to the mountain right now. We're stopping for gas. Jordan, you have anything to say? That's fair. Okay. We started our hike we got to the parking lot of Timberline at 12 a.m. around that time. We started driving up on Friday. 12 a.m. Saturday is when we started. By the time we got to the top, it was around 4 a.m. in the morning. We set up our camp chairs, me and Jordan. We were freezing cold, oh my god, and I was so hungry. But thank goodness I finally got to eat my lunch, or my breakfast, excuse me. And oh my goodness, I'm so glad to be in this nice, warm house, recording under a blanket. Oh my goodness, so nice. But, yeah. Today we're recording. And we are on Mt.Hood right now, in Timberline, right next to the Palmer chairlift. We're actually on our way back home. I forgot to film the intro earlier, so how about one right now? You'll still see it. Yeah. Okay. You guys see that? Snapchat. I want to get your nose, right? Change your plan. Oh my god, my flash is on. Change your plan. We're gonna not head up to Illumination Rock.
Maybe.
Because, yeah, gear is no good. So, it's just me and Jordan. We're gonna go up to the top of Palmer instead. But that should still give us a pretty good view.
Definitely.
What time is it? It's currently 2:05 right now. Yeah. Any birds?
What?
Any birds? Okay, we'll take off the crampons now because we're gonna get up a slight hill. Jordan, is this your first time doing this?
Yep.
Okay, well, I have no excuses for being faster than that. Anyways, let's go. My dang flash. What time is it? It's sleepy time. It's 2:46 a.m. Yeah. just made it to the top of the Palmer chairlift. There's Jordan over there. I'll set up my chair. Time with the big flash. And it is currently exactly 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna set up my GoPro. Hopefully get some cool shots, maybe, possibly, sort of. Yeah. There's Jordan. There's the Palmer chairlift over there. Can't see anything. Look, we got. Why am I filming vertical? Oh well. Bear with me, guys. North side, south side, east side, and.
Well, if you need a hand to carry a load, I'm here to let you know.
The west side. I don't know why you can see it.
When that old hurricane is starting to blow, you always got a home where you can call me. Oh, because I
Illumination. Guys, Jordan set up this one. Off camera for like 3 minutes trying to figure out which way the battery went in. Oh my god. It's a little chilly out here tonight.
Sorry, get the costume on.
You guys can see that light over there is a snow cat. Oh my bad. You just gotta be.
Now let me check what settings. You don't want to stop.
Don't worry about my
Shutter speeds to like 20 seconds.
and ruins your picture.
20. Oh, he's running away. I actually trying to take my camera. I got something to see it. Right there.
Oh, there he goes.
He was like, oh, he's going away.
there is by the pallet. Oh. Mickey. We got Snow White over here.
Look at my foot. No,